If you're experiencing lag spikes while playing Fortnite, this guide will help you configure your settings for a smoother gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your game performance. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Use a wired connection if possible, as it generally provides a more reliable and faster connection than Wi-Fi. Test your internet speed and consider resetting your router if necessary. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Open Fortnite and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings to reduce the load on your system. Set the resolution to a low value and disable features like VSync and motion blur to improve performance. Step 3. Update drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers. This can significantly enhance performance and reduce lag. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching Fortnite, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help reduce lag during gameplay. Use the Task Manager to identify and close these applications. Step 5. Optimize network settings. Adjust your network settings for better performance. Enable Quality of Service (QoS) on your router to prioritize gaming traffic. Additionally, consider using a gaming VPN to reduce ping and improve connection stability. By following these steps, you should be able to minimize lag spikes and enjoy a smoother Fortnite experience. Happy gaming!